Okay, welcome back. And in this video I'm going to show you how you can drop a table at first. Okay, so let's show all the tables. So I will say here show tables, and from the database, so I will say from a data visionary underscore db semicolon and execute it. And here you can see we have employee table also, right? And we have a student. So let's drop the table. At first I'm going to say here alter sorry, we just have to use here drop then table, then the table name is employee. All right, semicolon, execute it, show all the table, show tables from the database data visionary underscore db semicolon, execute. And now you can see the table is removed. Why? Because we have dropped the table. Now let's drop a column. So how you can drop a column? So let's say here select of from students semicolon, execute the query. And here let's say I want to drop a table student phone. So how you can drop a table column? Okay, so drop okay, so we have to use here alter table and then table name students, then I will say drop column, then column name student phone. All right, execute the query. Oh yes, now let's check select from the students table. Every single time making mistake. Students, execute it, and now you can see we have dropped all the tables, the column actually from the table. The column name was student phone. All right, so you have learned how to drop table, how to drop a column inside a table. Okay, so if this video is helpful for you, please make sure to give a like and subscribe this channel for more videos like this. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.